How to use picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, PIP, and today I'll guide you on how you can use picture-in-picture mode on YouTube. Well, to be exact, the picture-in-picture mode is a premium feature on YouTube. So in order to be able to use it, you'll have to get the premium. However, if you are an Android user and your phone gives you an option for PIP mode, that is picture-in-picture mode, then there is a quick way around it. What you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up YouTube, right, and then play any video, and head over to the background apps option here like this. Now you can tap and press, and you can see it says drop here for pop-up view. So you want to tap and hold on it, and then you'll get this option where you'll have to drag it to the middle. Once you do so, you can see now you can open YouTube, you'll get a pop-up view. You can resize it, make it smaller as well to the size that you wish, and then you can play any video while you can switch it or change the location on your screen. You can drag it anywhere you want, and then you can use any other apps in the background as well. So this is the way that you can use picture-in-picture mode on YouTube if you do not have the premium feature. If you do have premium feature, then you don't have to do anything. Every time you go back from a video, it'll automatically be there on the picture-in-picture mode. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.